guys, welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about this looper tool. I'm sure you've seen it all over the internet, and we are going to make an entire necklace using only one tool. I'm using some hematite beads, a little flower, a little focal bead that's carved out to actually shell. You'll need a closure and extension chain, which is optional. And let's get started. First thing that I like to do is actually cut the wire. So I cut like a generous amount because I'm gonna need quite a few little pieces. And I go ahead and just separate my wire into maybe 2-inch pieces. And that just makes it go by a little bit faster so you don't have to keep clipping it off of the spool or whatever it is that you have. So the first thing to do is grab one of these. You're going to feed your bead through. And if you've never used one of these, what you'll do is whichever bead you have, it needs to sit right there at the edge. So it doesn't really matter how long this is, it's got to go through the tool, but your bead needs to sit on the edge. That's the key here. It's got a little hole here that you're going to be feeding the wire through. Let's see if I can get it on camera there. There it is. And so that's what it's looking like here. And then you're literally just going to squeeze it. And I move it around depending on, the direction that I need. The wire falls off and there's your perfect little loop. You'll do the same thing on the other side. And there you go. You have a little bead of your choice there with 2 loops on each side. So I'm gonna make the rest of these and I'll be right back with you. As you can see, I've done all my little loops on my little pieces that we're now going to connect together. And I'm first going to go ahead and take my little centerpiece and loop this as well. For the shell, I'm actually going to use a pin instead of a piece of wire because I like that decorative end right here. So then what you'll do is you'll feed it through here, at least on my bead it's this way. And you see that little decorational point there? It makes it really nice. We can go ahead and put this through the looper as well. Let's do that. All right, and there's your loop, and there you are. There's your center pendant. And now we're gonna go ahead and start putting these together. The way we do that is that we're going to go back to each individual bead, open up one of the loops and connect it to the other one here. Some of these loops are gonna be perfectly closed already. Some of them absolutely will not. You can see quite a few here that are not. So then we go back in with the round nose pliers and close them ourselves. So I will show you how to do that now. And so it's not that it's the easiest project in the world to do because it does take a game of patience to close each and every single one of these little teeny tiny loops. But the way it comes out is very cute. I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what you can do if you just can't invest in a lot of tools and you just can have this one here and you are able to make very cute little jewelry with it as well. So when I'm done here, I will show you guys because it's been quite a few little loops here. All right, and now let's attach our ring here with our closure clasp. So the necklace, pretty much done. How adorable is that? It's very time consuming, but very, very cute. The way it lays on the neck is very pretty. And now we're going to put our end little pendant here. I think it looks absolutely adorable just like this, and you can even layer it, but I'm gonna add it just so that you guys know what it looks like when it's on. It's basically gonna look like that. I think it's cute too, but I like it even like this. What do you guys think? It's super cute. Yeah, so I'm gonna opt not to put the little charm on it, but you guys can add your own charm if you want. I just love the way that it looks. It's just, it can match so many other things, and it can change the style. If I put this on, it limits what you can wear with it. So that's what it is.